want kisses. Oh, you have lipstick on you now. Okay. Want to say hi to our friends? Say hi, everyone. Hello. Oh, thank you, baby. Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and this is Gaby. Say hi. Hi, good job. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a cabbage and carrot side salad. I absolutely love this alongside my dinner. Yeah. And to be honest, I sometimes just eat it for lunch just as is without anything. It's delicious. Yeah, it's easy and delicious. That is the theme of the Lazy Girls Kitchen. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching. Say bye. Can you say bye? No? Okay.